And they're off. A bobbling start for number 2, Lady Bling, and she's at the back. It was a good beginning for the favorite, Temperament Patty, who is out for the lead with Sandra. Sandra narrowly over Temperament Patty. There goes My Four Chicks, moving up quickly down at the rail, and My Four Chicks will be the pace setter. Sandra runs in second. Temperament Patty on the outside is third. Sweet Polly Purebred is next in fourth. It's a length and a half to Quezon in fifth. 2 more to Done Listening. Then a break of 5 to Serious Happiness, and 6 more to Lady Bling. Opening quarter, 23 and 2/5 seconds. My Four Chicks down at the rail, and Sandra is alongside. My Four Chicks by ahead. Sandra in second. The favorite, Temperament Patty, in the clear on the outside in third. Then Sweet Polly Purebred runs in fourth. Quezon is fifth, 4 lengths from the front. And then it's Done Listening, farther back Serious Happiness, and way back is Lady Bling. Half mile up in 47 and 4/5 seconds, and they're midway around the far turn. My Four Chicks, Sandra, Temperament Patty is 3 wide. Quezon is 4 wide. As the field comes for the quarter pole, Temperament Patty's in between horses. Sandra down at the rail. Quezon on the outside as My Four Chicks drops back. Then it's Sweet Polly Purebred. They come off the turn and enter the stretch, and the Maid of the Mistakes, and here is Quezon. Quezon is taken over from Temperament Patty, and Quezon is drawing away in the stretch. Quezon by 4. Temperament Patty in second, then Sweet Polly Purebred and Sandra. Quezon, and she's 2 for 2 in her young career. Quezon by 6 lengths. Temperament Patty was second, then Sweet Polly Purebred and Sandra.